Harvard University is taking the Trump administration to federal court, and the stakes are massive. We're talking about $2.5 billion in canceled federal research grant. These aren't just any grants. They fund cutting-edge work on cancer, Parkinson's disease, and infectious illnesses. Harvard says these cancellations could freeze hiring and threaten hundreds of life-saving projects. But what caused this dramatic fallout between the country's oldest Ivy League school and the White House? It all started in April 2025. The Trump administration sent Harvard a list of demands: change how you hire, change your governance, change your admissions policies. The administration argued that Harvard was failing to protect Jewish students and allowing radical ideologies to take over campus life. Harvard pushed back. They said yes, anti-Semitic incidents happened, but they were addressed. They also insisted that the demands went way beyond campus safety. In fact, Harvard claims the administration is trying to control what they teach, who they hire, and how they govern, violating the First Amendment rights of academic freedom. This isn't just about politics or ideology, it's about money too. Harvard's endowment is huge, over $53 billion. But now, 40% of the school's annual budget, mostly research-related, could be wiped out. Congress already raised the tax on endowment income from 1.4% to 8%. That alone hits Harvard with millions in extra costs. And it didn't stop there. Federal officials also threatened to remove Harvard's accreditation, banned international students from joining, and even challenged the school's right to host exchange programs. According to Harvard President Alan Garber, this is a full-blown assault on the institution's mission. So now, the legal showdown is on. The judge presiding, Allison Burroughs, has a history with cases like this. She's already blocked Trump policies on international students before. But in this case, the administration says she doesn't even have jurisdiction. Why? Because, they claim, those research contracts had clauses that allowed funding to be pulled if the projects didn't meet federal objective. Harvard disagrees, and is urging the court to restore the grants immediately. They say this isn't about compliance. It's about retaliation. If the funding doesn't come back, some of the world's most important research may be stalled, or lost forever. And what's the bigger picture? It could redefine how federal power is used to influence higher education in America. Will elite universities like Harvard be forced to change their values to keep government support? Or will they stand their ground, even if it costs billions? If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe. It really motivates us to create helpful videos.